In this video clip, we will work on those 6 questions. The first 3 is about simplify the following expressions. Let's look at the first one. So here is the first one. We are given y to the 2/3, y to the 2/3 divided by y to the 1/6. We know that's y to the 2/3 subtract, or you may do one more step, is times y to the negative 1/6. And that's actually y to the 2/3 subtract 1/6. Now, in order to put those two together, you need to have a 2/2 to make the denominator be the same. 2 times 3 is 6. And then here upstairs will be 4 minus 1/6. So then you will have a y to the 3/6, and that's 1/2. Okay. Up to this far, you know they are actually, this one is actually radical y. But you know, you may stop right here. Okay, because we say we will just want to simplify it. We didn't say we want to change this one to the radical form. Okay, that was question 1. Now, look at question 2. Question 2 we have here is 6 to the 2/3 times 6 to the 2/5. So you need to add 2 exponents together. That would be 2/3 minus 2/5. In order to put those two together, you need to make denominators be the same. So here times 3, upstairs and downstairs. And here times 5, upstairs and downstairs. And then what you get will be 6 to the exponent. 2 times 5 is 10. Here is plus. Here is plus. Let me put right here. Plus. So then you will have a 2 times 5, which is 10. Downstairs is 15. Plus 6, 2 times 3 is 6. Here. And then over 15. So then you have a 6 to the 16/15. All right? Okay. So you may just stop right here. You can do more, changing this one to the radical expression, but you know, you may stop right here. Okay. Question 3. Question 3 is the one right here. So we want to do is simplify. We first copied x to the 2/3 and then times y to the negative 4/5, and then 1/2. Remember this 1/2 x on both tens, so you should have a x to the 2/3 times 1/2, and then y to the negative 4/5 times 1/2. And then you may do the cancellation here. So that's x to the 1/3. Down here, you have a 2 here. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So you then have a y to the negative 2/5. And that's x to the 1/3. Downstairs is y to the 2/5. Here is eliminate this negative sign, write all as positive. All right? Okay, so we are done with the first 3 questions. Let's look at the second 3 questions. Okay? Here is the 4th one. Let me change the color to blue. The 4th one says that we want again to use rational exponents to simplify. Here, the question 4 is 12th root of x to the 8th. That would be x to the 8 over 12. And then you have a factor 4 cancelled. So you then reduce the exponent to 2/3. Because again, 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. That's the reason. So down here, then, you actually get the final answer, which is what? Which is the one. Let me just circle it. This will be the answer. If you want to write more, you can, that's cube root of x squared. Okay? So you may stop here, but that's the expression, equivalent expression. Okay, question 5. Question 5, you have a 4th root of 2 times x to the 28th. And then you have a 4th root. Here is 2, and then remember, 28th is 7 times 4. And then you see the index is 4, exponent is 4, index is 4. So then this x to the 7th can be out. Okay? And then inside will be 4th root of 2. That's it. Okay, you simplified it. All right. Now, let's look at question 6. Question 6, you have a cube root of x to the 4th and then y squared, and then to the 15th. Remember, that's actually x to the 4th times y squared. You choose cube root is exponent is 1/3, and then you have a 15. Now, between 1/3 and 15, you know, there's multiplication times 15. What do you get here? You get here 15 divided by 3, you have a 5. Then 5x on x to the 4th, and it's also x on the y squared. So you then have a x to the 20th, and then y to the 10th. All right? Okay, I'll see you next time.